For a while now, I've been looking for a way to organize my guns, my weapons, my pistols, my rifles, and stuff like that. I usually have them right here on the kitchen table, but my wife said, after 28 years, she's like, no more. We live way out in the woods. We have lots of predators and need quick access to my weapons. So anyways, I've been looking and looking, and I decided to go with Secureit Weapon Storage, I believe is how it is. I'll show you what's been going on. My wife's been building more cabinets, and she's still got to build some doors and stuff. But I want to show you where she said I had to put them. And these are for quick access, you know. Now, we've got weapons everywhere, but these are the ones that I use the most. It's my AR with a thermal for shooting coyotes and pigs at night, a deer rifle for shooting pigs and coyotes during the day, and then also we'll have a 22 in here. So anyway, she's just finished putting this together. She's got to build the doors and stuff of that nature. So I ordered a Secureit. I built it myself, and what I mean by that is I ordered certain pieces just for this little location here. I'm gonna unpack it and kind of show you how it's gonna lay out. Check that out. Got some targets to shoot at. So these come in, you can only order 2 individual panels. So I only needed 1 for that location, but there's another one of those targets underneath. So I ordered two with the quick locking. You just run your barrel in there. 2 of these. 1 without it, and I'll put a bungee here. But I needed a room big enough for my suppressor to lean into. This is an AR mag holder. You can do it different ways. I think I'm going to start off like this right here. This is for a pistol, which I'll have to put that together. And I guess it's because you can set it different ways. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, no, it only goes one way. Little Phillips. So it's like a little brass piece. Just happen to have a weapon right here, unloaded. So it'll sit in there and it'll hold your pistol just like that. Or put this little protector on there and do the same thing like that. So it will sit right here. I like that. Just like that. So now I've got to get that panel set into here so these weapons can be set just right there, and eventually there will be doors right here to kind of cover this up. But I only have one stud going right down almost the middle of it, and I don't know if that's going to be enough. My wife does have like a little header board right here. I think I'm going to get her to put in 2 more. That way I can secure it. Make sure it's really good. It's my toy. Oh, that's perfect size too for this little closet right here. And what we'll do, very hard to hold. I can screw it right there, but I need 2 more things in here. Yep, I like it. Gotta get the misses. That is somewhat even up there. I need to, let's see, want one in the middle. This is probably middle. You got these little screws on here where you can secure it to that to where it doesn't move up and down. So I'm going to tighten them down real quick. I just kind of lock that in place. So that's I like that. That's good resistance right there. Alright. Then we got our little varmint gun. like that. Then I've got my thermal, which I'm gonna have to put that bungee cord on that one. I think I'm gonna raise that to there. I like that. So I've got my 3 guns that we use the most around here. A pistol, ammunition. Of course, this is for the 22. But you can get different racks and stuff, organizers for here. But this gets it off the kitchen counter. I'm gonna take that down just in case. All right, so I like it. And I meant for this to be set up for just three long rifles, pistol, and some organizers here on the side. I didn't have my bungee cord with me. They're not in the truck where I thought they were. I know where they are, I just don't have them with me. So right now I'm just going to put the rifle on the side. My closet is a little poofy. What I mean by that, when my wife puts these doors on, this is a 30 round mag right here. It will just barely get it, so I really need to set it up like that. That's really why that bungee cord is going to be so important. So for right now, it just will go right here and it's secured. Pistol, high caliber rifle, 22 rifle, mags up here on the shelf, and I got some things I'm gonna get for in here. But overall, I like it. It's kind of expensive, but it seemed like it was really rugged and sturdy, and I believe it is. And it has a lot more accessories that you can get. I didn't need all that, but I do have a room that's unfinished that we're thinking about building another gun wall, which will be much bigger. I'll go show you that real quick. So this is our storm shelter. It's also our master closet. All here, all behind you will be clothes racks, drawers, stuff of that nature. There'll be a small section there, but basically from that blue line over, we thought about making this another gun wall. This is also a storm shelter, but it also can be used as a safe room and also a safe. You can actually be a safe in here, the way this door is designed and everything. But I think I may put that Secureit system in here. I also may look around to see if there's something a little bit more affordable. But I really like the Secureit. It's easy to work with. I didn't push record. I just attached that with 1.25 inch drywall screws, and it's pretty sturdy. So I think right here we'll possibly build another Secureit storm room. Secureit. This could be another Secureit wall for another armory in here. Got plenty of room down here to put shelving, rifles, double stack. I'll put some pictures in while I'm talking here, but it would all, it would be a beautiful spot right here. But that's down the road. All right, so here's my tactical closet, my miniature tactical closet. I like that. I think I'm going to really think about putting this in my storm shelter master closet and building a really big wall, kind of like, well, it would probably take up as much as this right here, what my wife just finished doing. She finished building this out, putting all this cover right. But anyways, it would, that ceiling in there is over 9 foot, and I would have plenty of room for multiple guns, ammunition, and it being a secured safe. But I need this for quick access. So guys, I hope y'all like it. If this I bought on myself, it was expensive. I think I paid just at what you see here for these components. It comes with 2 of the panels, but I think I'm right at $200 just for those components, but I'm happy with it. I really am. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, share it, and most of all, be a part of our family. And we'll see you on the next video. Maybe it will be doing this, maybe it's trapping hogs. We'll see.